us about your journey so far, not your journey here, but your career journey. You've always been one to kind of break the mold.
Right. Well, I grew up in Southern California, and I was a fairly outdoors kid. I rode bikes, I surfed, I played basketball, and I was a good student, but I got a little bit bored when I was in my junior year. I didn't like the regimen, I guess, of high school, and then they also prevented us from advancing to college. That you used to be able to take courses before you graduated, and they stopped that, and so I was a little upset about it, and so I kind of backed off from school, and I even had some doubts about going to college, which horrified my parents. But they talked to me, and I had a very successful great uncle who was a CPA and ended up doing very well, and so they'd always use him as the benchmark and say, "You're so good at math, go to college." And so I said, "I'll try it for 6 weeks," and I loved the flexibility and freedom that I had in college versus the regimen in high school, and I was able to work about 35 hours a week while I was going to school, so I really liked that freedom.